Hi there everyone. Welcome to Sunday. I hope that you're all okay. Get this camera right one day. Thank you to all the subscribers and family members. You mean so much to me. It makes everything worthwhile. Thank you for all the lovely comments. Please keep them coming. I promise that I will answer them all. Right, I'm going to do another taste test this morning. And this is some 6 Italian style pork sausages with mozzarella and extra mature cheddar, seasoned with sun-dried tomatoes, basil, pesto, garlic and oregano. Now these are £2.75 or 2 packs for £5. And there they are. Italian style pork sausage seasoned with what I've just said, 80% pork, mozzarella cheese, mature cheddar cheese, pea flour, tomato, sunflower, potato starch, spices, potassium chloride, hard cheese, sugar, white wine vinegar, preservatives, garlic puree, lemon juice, capers, paprika extract, garlic puree, and there they are. You can either grill them or you can cook them in the oven, which I've done today for 25 to 30 minutes to 190. So, let's see what they're like. Red Tractor certified pork that are 400 grams. And this is what they look like after being in the oven. But now to that all-important taste test. That's what they look like on the inside. So, let's give them a go and see if they really are Italian style. The casing is nice and easy to bite through. The pork is perfectly cooked. It's nice and tender. You can taste the oregano. The cheese is coming through, which is very nice actually. Obviously mozzarella doesn't really have any taste, does it? Not much flavour, but the cheddar there definitely has. Can't really taste the garlic, but the cheese is definitely there. They're perfectly seasoned and they're a decent sausage, they really are. Whether they are Italian style or not, I don't really think so. But that's just my opinion. There's no gnarly bits, There's no fat, no gristle. They're a very pleasant sausage, and I've got to say that the ones from Morrisons, the best. They're really good quality, and the price isn't too bad, particularly if you buy 2 packs and you get 2 for £5. And they are gluten free. They are very nice, but if you're expecting an Italian kind of flavour, you ain't going to get one. It's just a very nice pork sausage with cheese and a bit of oregano. There's not a great deal of oregano, but you can just taste it there in the background. So if you go to Morrisons and you see these, the best sausages, they're definitely well worth a go. I'm very, very picky when it comes to sausages. And these, the Morrisons and the Asda ones, are really, really good. Anyway, you don't have to sit and watch me eat them all. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And above all, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. It will cost you absolutely nothing, helps the channel grow, and we become part of that bigger community. And as always, at that point, my friends, I will say to you all, Namaste. May your God go with you. Bye for now, everyone.